finish it off with this weapon, and he's gone. And I get loads of praise. No, he does.
Captain Quark, first you made another miraculous comeback. Now you've defeated the Tyrannoids in a spectacular battle on their own planet. How do you explain your recent success?
Courage, compassion, dashing good looks, iron hard abs. Seriously, though, to be a true hero of heroes, you need more than loads of charisma and a brilliant tactical mind. I couldn't have done it without these massive guns! Mwah! Mwah!
What a cunt. I want to kill him.
Glad to see you made it through in one piece, Ratchet. You must have quite a story to tell. Why don't you come back to the Phoenix and fill us in?
We'll do. First we're going on a mission to Silent Curve Island. Or Cafu Island, or whatever it's called. Yeah, this will automatically restore your ammo as well, just so you know. And so that you are aware. I couldn't do it without my massive guns. No, really, these guns are huge. Look at them, they shoot massive bullets and everything. He's just being fucking cocky. Oh no, I don't like this stuff. Ah! I'm okay. Oh, Jesus, I wasn't paying attention at all. Woo! Okay, that's unfair. That's completely off the screen. Old pack of rockets. Look, my tail. Just looks like a flame coming out of my ass. Lol. Let's see. This should do. Are you serious? Health after that time? Yeah, these ones are even more powerful than you've ever seen. More powerful than you've ever seen before. They're unstoppable, merciless. And most importantly, they will evolve my guns!
Take cover! The Knights are coming over the bridge!
They teleported through the void! Bring me the upgrade.
Near the center of the island. We need to get out there and capture it.
No, you need to shoot the massive missile launcher. Yeah, they can shoot in 2 directions now, so they're much better and much more tactically advanced.
This place is crawling with noise.
Don't underestimate them, they're much more powerful. And this is what I want. Oh, yes!
We need to push the noise back and secure the area.
Goodbye, everyone. Now let's try and upgrade something else, like this. I got shot in the back of the ass. Dun, 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 dun. Bye. See how easy that was? That was without even a single drop of run. Lol. Where is it? I thought there was a rocket up here. Never mind. Ignore that then. Ignore me! Ah, love it. I can't remember what it's called now. N90 Hurricane, and that's called the shot cannon now, just so that I can make it clear. But look how good it is! Oh, there they are. The assault on the island. Okay, that was not a good idea. Retreat tactically. Or get killed mercifully. I know what to do. Something I forgot to do. It's called sniper rifle. It's a tactical weapon which can be used at the greatest of times. I'm going to start using the lava gun. Because it's awesome. I love my lava gun. Yeah, these missions are for the faint-hearted. Well, the first one ain't, at least. This one is definitely one of the harder ones.
Take cover! The noise are coming over the bridge!
And it's good. I love guns coming over the bridge too. Look how good it is. Ah, you'll die.
There's a hover ship pad near the center of the island. We need to get out there and capture it.
Rawr. Rawr. Yeah, I know I'm just going in and guns blazing, but it's fun. I've got a lava gun here. What do you expect me to do? Don't you fucking dare. This is mine. Okay, tactical retreat. Here we go.
We need to push the noise back and secure the area.
Blast. Something else like this might do. Boom. You missed me. You missed me again and again. Don't stop missing me. That's how easy it is. One miss and it's all over, boys. Ha ha ha. Time to sniper. Sniper, sniper. Boom. And that's how it's done. It's easy for me, because I won't miss shit. Yay. Let's get some bolts and help and stuff. This is where things get a little bit harder though. Bye. I recommend using a weapon you've already got V5. Because things are going to get tough. Very tough. Unless actually, is that all of it? That might be. I don't recall. No, no.
The hover ship pad has been secured.
Oh no, that is it. Cool.
Get briefed for the next mission.
Awesome. Oh yeah, dogfight. Loving this.
We need air support.
Going
The
now.
hover ship. Blast those drop ships out of the sky.
Doing it now.
To fly the hover ship, use the left analog stick. Press X or L1 to ascend.
This thing is
Square
awesome, by the
or
way.
L2 to descend. Use the right analog stick to aim, and press circle or R1 to fire rockets.
I love this.
We'll take care of the saucer, Sarge. Keep blasting those drop ships.
Understood. Where's it coming from? Here it is. Wanna get killed too?
Let it happen, Sarge.
Doing it? Helping you out for the team. Okay. Boom. See the back of it.
They're everywhere.
No, just in front of it. Yeah, the multiplayer I'm probably going to do as well. The multiplayer on this game is one of the best multiplayers I've ever seen. It's just brilliant. It's ingenious as well. Wow. You're dying. Wow. You're going to die. Ow. Like killing me. Losing enough of
Saucers
this.
should back off once you take out the last of the drop ships.
How many are there? Where are they coming from? Tell me, Sarge! Oh, you're there, hi. Ah, okay, that's bad. At first glance, that looks bad, but don't worry, because I got luck on my side.
They just keep coming. We can't hold out much longer.
Lol, that sounds wrong. Where are you coming from? Ah, funny, oh god. They're going for our base.